Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this evil eyes filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Okay, you have two different styles to choose from, this and this. You can tap on the screen to remove the bats. Okay, let me remove this first. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect on Snapchat, what you have to do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. You will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours, tap there. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, see you on the next video.